What's going on, all you vapors out there? This is Beach Bum Vaper vaping reviews, and today we are going over the Tiki Vapes Crazy Train. This is part of their Cloud line. It says Cloud Mix right there on the bottle. This is a 3 milligram nicotine. Crazy Train is supposed to be like a banana snickerdoodle. We're going to be dripping it in a Tugboat V2 Authentic. My mod's set to 30 watts. The Tugboat's set to 0.7 ohms. You know, every time I see this Crazy Train, I think of the Ozzy Osbourne song. I just put the two together all the time. I don't know why. Every time I go to look at this, that song just hits me in the head. Let's go ahead and drip it. While I drip this, I just want to let everybody know that I got this product for the purpose of review. Get that cotton good and soaked. Okay, as everybody knows, taste is subjective. But to me, I mean, this really does taste like a banana with snickerdoodle. On the inhale, there's the banana. On the exhale, you got the snickerdoodle. It's really, really good. Little bit of throat hit, not a whole lot, not too little. I mean, it's right on time. The cloud production is excellent. If you're a fan of bananas or snickerdoodles or both, I mean, this is right up your alley. I'll show you again with the clouds. I mean, this is only a 30 watt mod, and it's putting out some decent clouds. And if you're on one of them big boys, man, you fog out a room quick. Here we go. Excellent vapor production. Just can't get enough of the cloud chasing on that. Again, if you're into the snickerdoodle, bananas, go check out Tiki Vapes. You can find them on Facebook. You can find them on Instagram. You will not be disappointed at all. Until next time, this is Beach Bum Vaper, and we'll see you again. Keep on vaping, everybody.